And how you guys doing? And don't forget, in every court case, they have to mention that I'm a hermaphrodite. And they have to mention that I am the child of my biological parents, and they have to mention my biological parents' names in every court case. Another thing of importance, and they have to mention my royal diplomatic immunity. This is very important. This government man had tried to claim that he was holding me hostage, stealing my money, abusing me, raping me, and physically assaulting me, all these different things that they had done. You have to check the list of what they have done. And he was trying to claim he was trying to frame me. He was trying to get something on me by damaging my looks, physically assaulting me, mutilating me, slandering my character based on his mutilations and teeth damage. He tried to accuse me of being a dirty person by damaging my teeth when my teeth are prettier than their teeth. My teeth are naturally bigger than their teeth. My teeth was naturally perfect and documented. My dentist knew my teeth was perfect. My dentist didn't have to do much to my teeth. It was just like always having somebody checking them to make sure nothing was going wrong with anything, such as a satellite man damaging my facial structure or bone structure, which obviously the satellite man has done that, and I have not received any lawsuit monies in the past yet either. And those court cases are hermaphrodite court cases. Hermaphrodite court cases, all of them. And this government man claimed he was holding me hostage, doing all these abusive things to me because he was trying to frame me. And I have royal diplomatic immunity. Somebody needs to ask this man what kind of crime he was trying to pin on me with his accusations and his abuses. My royal diplomatic immunity would outrank that type of crime that this man would make up. Make sure you understand that. My royal diplomatic immunity would outrank any of the lies and fabrications and tricks of these dirty government people, them accusing against me. And don't forget, I do have impeachment rights of impeaching any politician that tries to steal my mother and father's estates or companies or revenues or trust funds, or any politician that tries to steal my hermaphrodite, my genetics, to mess with my mouth. That's more lawsuits every time. So once you look at, there's a certain number of people in this country that have impeachment rights against the president. When a president gets into office, if that president violates certain people's names that are on a VIP list of America, the president can easily be impeached. See, these people tried to fabricate against me, to try to attack me, to slander my character so they wouldn't get impeached in their process of trying to steal my family wealth, meaning they were hiding their identities with their government frontmen that was trying to steal my identity. Haven't received any lawsuit monies in reference to the teeth damage or the facial damage or the rapes or physical assault or the accusations of these men going to jobs and accusating against me and tasering me, even when I was around other co-workers. And this man had tried to make up shit saying, oh, he thought he was out of control. Out of control in what way? I don't carry a weapon. Out of control in what way? I wasn't fighting nobody on the job. Out of control in what way? You made the shit up, so you faced the death penalty. And every time they tasered me, they tried to rape me. And they must face the death penalty. I'm not your race. I'm not your child. I'm not your property. And we need to see your financial information of your financial portfolio in reference to American money. And we need to know what kind of property you claimed you owned in America. My mother gave me the estate. My father gave me the estate. Because I'm 100% the bloodline of my parents. So in reference to you or your people fabricating, you thought that you would have been named in my mother and father's estates. No. I'm the only person named in my mother and father's estates. Forever. And I'm not allowed to make out no inheritance to nobody. Never. So in reference to your tricks, government man, and your accusations, you must get charged for fabricating ways of attacking me and rendering me unconscious as your people have done these things to rape me and to physically assault me, you must get prosecuted for all the shit you've done. And all the physical abuse that you have done, damaging my face and teeth, claiming you were trying to call me trash. When my DNA is the same. When my teeth was perfect. And you caused all this damage and you're hitting me in the teeth right there, and you should die for that, you fucking dirty piece of shit. My teeth structure and bone structure comes from my biological parents. Not from a satellite. I wasn't born from a satellite, motherfucker. Meaning like a satellite did not give birth to my anatomy. Do you understand that, you fucking idiot? Was you born from a mechanical satellite, you stupid fuck? No, you weren't. You were born from your parents, whoever the fuck they are. And I was born from my parents. And your opinion and your abuses are not accepted as any legal actions of any kind. It is all criminal what you have done. And you should face the death penalty for mutilating and damaging my teeth. I am not your child. I am not your property. And anything else you've caused damage to. This is America, motherfucker. There's a constitution, and your illegal searching of a person's mouth with your satellite is 100% mutilation crimes and attempts of murder, in violation of asthma protection laws, hyperventilation protection laws, and you should get put in prison for the rest of your life, or you should get the death penalty. I'm not going to play your fucking tricks, and I'm not lowering my status for you or anybody else in this fucking world.